obviously we had to just state for the record kasi the other day, I think may mga lumalabas rin na baka nagbibisaya para parang sort of evasive yung witness or just to evade or as a matter of strategy nagbibisaya. So we just had to also state for the record and just for the information of the public and the senator judges na nung House Committee hearings, yung good government and public accountability, simula pa naman nun, talagang gusto na magbisaya ng witness na si Miss Acosta. Doon lang talagang hinimok siya na mag-Tagalog at mag-English. Tulad na rin ng nangyari ngayon. Just to really inform the public that perhaps hindi naman yan strategy or evasiveness. It's really her nature na mas komportable siya sa Bisaya since Bisaya talaga siya.